When people talk about cutting-edge Linux distributions, Fedora is almost always part of the conversation. With the arrival of Fedora 43, that reputation becomes even stronger. This release continues Fedora's tradition of delivering the latest open-source technologies while maintaining a polished and reliable user experience. Fedora has long been known as the place where many innovations appear before eventually finding their way into enterprise Linux environments, and Fedora 43 demonstrates exactly why it remains one of the most influential Linux distributions in the world. One of the first things users notice about Fedora 43 is how refined the desktop experience has become. The distribution feels fast, responsive, and modern from the moment it boots. Applications launch quickly, animations are smooth, and system responsiveness remains excellent even under heavy workloads. Whether you're using Fedora on a powerful workstation or a modest laptop, the operating system makes efficient use of available resources while delivering a premium desktop experience. Fedora 43 continues to build upon the strengths of the GNOME desktop environment. The integration between Fedora and GNOME feels natural and seamless, creating a clean and distraction-free workspace. Users can focus on their tasks without unnecessary clutter while still having access to advanced customization options when needed. The overall design philosophy emphasizes productivity, simplicity, and efficiency, making Fedora suitable for both newcomers and experienced Linux enthusiasts. Performance improvements are another major reason why Fedora 43 stands out. Developers have worked extensively on optimizing various system components, reducing bottlenecks, and improving overall responsiveness. Everyday tasks such as web browsing, software development, media playback, and multitasking feel smoother than ever. These enhancements may seem small individually, but together they create a noticeably faster and more enjoyable computing experience. For developers, Fedora 43 is particularly attractive. Fedora has always maintained a strong reputation among programmers because it provides access to modern development tools shortly after they become available. The latest versions of programming languages, compilers, libraries, and development frameworks are readily accessible through Fedora's repositories. This allows developers to experiment with new technologies and build software using the latest industry standards without waiting months for updates. Container technologies continue to play a major role in modern software development, and Fedora 43 embraces this reality. Tools such as Podman, Builda, and other container-related utilities remain deeply integrated into the operating system. Developers can easily build, test, and deploy applications in isolated environments without the complexity often associated with traditional virtualization. This approach streamlines workflows and makes Fedora a powerful platform for cloud-native development. Security remains one of Fedora's strongest advantages. Fedora 43 includes numerous security enhancements that help protect users and systems from emerging threats. Security technologies such as SE-Linux continue to provide advanced protection mechanisms that operate quietly in the background. While many users may never directly interact with these features, they contribute significantly to creating a secure computing environment suitable for both personal and professional use. The Fedora community also deserves recognition for the success of this release. Fedora is not driven solely by a corporation or a small group of developers. Instead, it benefits from contributions made by thousands of volunteers, engineers, testers, translators, and open-source enthusiasts from around the globe. This collaborative approach allows Fedora to evolve rapidly while maintaining a strong commitment to transparency and community-driven development. Hardware support has improved significantly over the years, and Fedora 43 continues that trend. Modern processors, graphics cards, wireless adapters, and storage devices generally work out of the box with minimal configuration. The Linux kernel included with Fedora provides excellent compatibility with contemporary hardware, ensuring users can take full advantage of their systems without spending hours troubleshooting drivers or device issues. Laptop users will appreciate the attention given to power management and battery efficiency. Fedora 43 includes improvements that help reduce unnecessary power consumption while maintaining strong performance levels. Better resource management means longer battery life during everyday usage, making Fedora a practical choice for students, professionals, and travelers who depend on portable devices throughout the day. Gaming on Linux has improved dramatically in recent years, and Fedora 43 benefits from those advancements. Modern graphics drivers, updated gaming libraries, and compatibility technologies make it possible to enjoy an increasingly large collection of games on Linux. Whether users prefer native Linux titles or compatibility layers that allow Windows games to run on Linux, Fedora provides a solid foundation for gaming enthusiasts looking to leave proprietary operating systems behind. Content creators can also take advantage of Fedora 43's capabilities. Video editors, graphic designers, photographers, musicians, and digital artists have access to a growing ecosystem of professional-quality open-source tools. Applications for image editing, video production, audio recording, animation, and 3D modeling continue to improve, allowing creators to complete demanding projects entirely within a Linux environment. Another area where Fedora 43 shines is software management. Installing, updating, and maintaining applications is straightforward thanks to modern package management tools and graphical software centers. Users can quickly discover new applications, apply system updates, and manage software repositories with minimal effort. This simplicity helps lower the barrier to entry for those transitioning from other operating systems. The inclusion of Flatpak support further enhances software availability. Users can access a wide variety of applications packaged independently from the operating system itself. This approach allows developers to distribute software more easily, while ensuring users receive newer versions without waiting for traditional repository updates. The result is a more flexible and modern software ecosystem. Fedora's release cycle is another important factor behind its popularity. Unlike distributions that prioritize long-term stability above all else, Fedora aims to deliver recent software and emerging technologies on a regular basis. Fedora 43 continues this philosophy by providing users with access to modern tools, updated desktop environments, and current system components. For many Linux enthusiasts, this balance between innovation and reliability is exactly what they want. The operating system also serves as an important testing ground for technologies that eventually appear in enterprise products. Many innovations first introduced in Fedora later influence enterprise Linux distributions used by organizations around the world. This relationship allows Fedora users to experience tomorrow's technologies today while contributing valuable feedback that helps improve future releases. Customization remains one of Fedora's greatest strengths. While the default experience is polished and functional, users are free to modify nearly every aspect of the system. Different desktop environments, themes, workflows, and software configurations can be tailored to individual preferences. Whether someone prefers a minimalist setup or a highly customized workstation, Fedora provides the flexibility needed to create the ideal environment. Reliability has also improved with each generation of Fedora releases. Fedora 43 demonstrates that a distribution can remain innovative without sacrificing stability. Users can confidently perform daily tasks, run demanding applications, and rely on the system for professional work. This balance between modern technology and dependable operation is one of the reasons Fedora continues to attract a diverse audience. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of Fedora 43 is how effectively it serves multiple types of users simultaneously. Beginners appreciate the polished interface and straightforward installation process. Developers benefit from modern programming tools and container technologies. System administrators value its security features and advanced capabilities. Enthusiasts enjoy experimenting with the latest innovations. Few operating systems manage to appeal to such a broad range of users without compromising their core vision. Fedora 43 ultimately proves that Linux continues to evolve at an impressive pace. It combines performance, security, innovation, hardware compatibility, and developer-friendly features into a single cohesive package. The result is a powerful operating system that showcases the best of modern open-source software. Whether you're exploring Linux for the first time or searching for a platform that keeps you at the forefront of technology, Fedora 43 stands as a true Linux powerhouse and one of the most compelling desktop operating systems available today.